Parang bait ulit yung tugtog natin. Saan ka daw sa'yo, Paps, ha? What's up, Lion? It's my birthday today. I just turned 18. Hi, John. Nakita ko dati yung nasa PH region na lang. Oo. Actually, before kasi, nasa PH kasi ako, no? Yeah, yung nakita niyo siguro before. You're gonna have fun here, especially with chicks. She's pretty as her dragon. You request a song. 18 last 12 years ago. Ay, grabe naman itong mga 12 years. Happy birthday. Thank you. Where's my gift, guys? I'm waiting for my gift. Make it memorable. Pretty, thank you. Hi, Shane. Thank you po. Sayang no, hindi ako makaka-receive ng Queen Emmy na gift. 18th birthday today in the USA. It's the party in the USA. Guys, ano na lang, 1 hour and 30 minutes left bago yung palaro natin, okay? Thank you, Mia! And I wanna feeling down. I need a man to take a chance on love that burns hot enough to last. I know. I just wanna enjoy my birthday. Oh my God! Boss Johnny! Ay na isa sa mga ano natin, 18 roses. Thank you, Boss Johnny! Kalma. Ang kita talaga ng reaction mo. I mean, mas special siya sa akin today kasi, syempre, napifeel ko yung ano eh, yung ano niya sa akin, yung love niya sa akin. Hi! Ouch! Is it ouch? 18 roses, 18 treasures, and 18 gifts. I know! Ate Akira, Zia! Thank you guys for the gift. Bite sa dragon, pero punta ko yun. Sabi ko, birthday mo. Thank you, Paps. At least diba, Paps, may ano ka? Hello, thank you. Loko ka, Paps. 18 ka pa lang. Hindi po ba nata? Sobra naman yung 18. Naalala ko yung 18 pa ako, parang feeling ko, ano eh. Parang masyado pa akong sipunin nun.